Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today we're doing a braidless crochet braid. So I will see if one pack is really enough for my whole entire head. Like I really hope that one pack is enough. But I saw this at my beauty supply store. It was 18. It looks like this, and it was $18 from my local beauty supply store. I got it in the color 1B. The style is rolled set, so it's supposed to look like when you're doing when you're doing rolled set on your natural hair. Anyways, so we're going to see how it goes. So stay tuned. At the end of the video I will talk about the hair and all that extra stuff. So now we're going to moisturize. We're going to do the roll process. Before that, this is what you need: a comb, a diamond brush, bristle brush, your moisturizer cream, a water bottle, rubber band, the wig cap. So you need the wig and weave cap, mesh wig cap, whatever. It was $2.99 at my local beauty. And then you need a scissor and braid comb, and then your towel, not towel but your t-shirts that I use for my towel. So that is all you need. So let's get in the video. I forget, you will need also some type of gel. I use the Eco Styler one. To charge my camera, so I just slip down for now, just to lay down my edges and all that extra stuff. So this is how it looks. And for the hair, I just assume that this come with like 8, 9 and 10 inches. And then that's because of the name V8910. So I just measured the hair because it didn't come, like, for instance, like one pack, they didn't like specify that like it's like the 8 inches, so you have to guess, you have to check the length, and it came like this. And when I first take one curl out, I was like, damn, this curl is short, because when I install this it will be short, you know. Then I watched some video and then I realized that actually it's not that short. It's like need to wait. And I heard this hair thing goes a lot. You need to separate the curl like this. But I'm going to separate the curl in half, and then I'm going to do the 10, the 9, and then the shoulder length at the top of my head. So I'm just going to start doing that, and when I get close to the top, so y'all can see how I did it. So guys, I know y'all I'm pretty sure y'all know how to crochet. You insert the crochet into your hair, you pull the fake hair through your hair, then you make a knot with that, and it will be a little bit different at the top of your hair. You will do the invisible method. I was really worried about like if this one pack will be enough for my whole entire head, but when I was in the middle of my head and I saw the hair, I was like, I hope it's enough, because at the end I was like, there was like a little bit left, and I finally did it, you know guys. But the hair is super duper big. If you like big hair, then this is for you. And it's just so if you can remember, I used the cap for my crochet. I did not crochet the hair directly to into my real hair. I just put the cap, and now I try to cover the edges of the cap, but this wasn't working, so I had to cut the cap head to be extremely careful to not cut my hair. So I cut the perimeter of the cap, so you know it would not look like a wig or something like that. And then I cover the edges where I just cut with like some hair, and I do like the invisible method, which I pull one part and then I make a knot with that. I don't pull the two strands, but I pull only one part apart, and then I do the invisible method with that. So guys, this is how the how the hair is looking right now. You know, you see there is like too much volume for this hair, and then you see there's a lot of shedding, and I'm going to cut the hair because it's getting hot outside and I don't want big hair. But I like big hair because big hair, let's be honest, big hair is nice, okay? And I did a side part this time because I never do side part. I usually hate side part, but you know, but I will come back with the finished result. This is into some cutting and shaping the hair. The hair was really big. Like, I know I sound like, you know, I say big all the time, but the hair is super big, and one pack is definitely enough for your whole head. I don't know the size of your head, but my head is small and it was like there was a little bit left, so you know the hair is big. So I work in section, 4 sections. I'll start at the bottom. I just put the mousse. I will put all the details in the description box. I put the mousse and the hair, and then with my scissor I start to cut the hair because I don't want the hair to be too long or too, it's big but I don't want it to be too long, okay, because it's getting hot outside. So yeah, I work in section till I hit the very big front of my hair, and then I put the mousse again, and bam. The final look, I mean, you know, the hair is big. The hair is big. I think I'm going to wear this hair with like some bobby pins. I will just pin the hair so it will get, you know, away from my face so I can clearly see. And I think like you can even like put it behind your ears. Like, this is like so nice. And with that, I'm just going to show you how I'm going to wear it. Just going to pin the hair, so you know. Comment your thoughts about this hairstyle. Would you rock this hairstyle? How would you rock this hairstyle? Because I want to know, girl, I want to know, okay? And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.